Hey everybody, this is Fariel, your US and Canadian immigration lawyer, bringing you the most up-to-date information on US and Canadian immigration law. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the agricultural worker streams that Canada has introduced. So the first development is the Agricultural Stream Program for temporary foreign workers. This allows for expedited work permits for anybody in the agricultural stream. The work permit is issued for up to 2 years, depending on the needs of the employer. There are specific employer eligibility requirements under the agricultural stream. The program is offering priority processing for occupations in the agriculture, food processing. So this is great news for people who are in the semi-skilled occupations involved in agriculture or food production, and also transport drivers to be able to get a work permit. In efforts to maintain the priority processing of these occupations, the LMIA requirement of advertising has been eliminated. And Employment Services Development Canada, the organization that does approve the LMIAs, has indicated that these occupations under the agricultural stream are the top priority with regards to issuing work permits. On June 5th, IRCC introduced a new policy that would basically be exempting essential workers from getting their biometrics done. And this is because they understand that there are many biometric sites that are closed right now. So in efforts to continue hiring essential workers and not have any delays, they've decided to exempt this category from biometrics. So what are these essential services? They include agriculture, agri-food, healthcare sectors, and trucking. So again, similar to the agricultural stream, the biometrics exemption is being offered to individuals in the essential worker category. But in any case, if you are not able to provide biometrics, IRCC has indicated that they will not deny any application that is in process. And that's because IRCC recognizes that there still are visa application centers that are closed, and also biometric locations that are also unavailable to the foreign national. So anybody who receives a temporary work permit under the Essential Services Agricultural stream, just be aware that when you enter Canada, you must have a quarantine plan available. Now, if you think that you may qualify under the agricultural stream and you have work experience in any of the sectors, feel free to contact us by email and let us know, and we can help you navigate through the process. So as you can see, there are many measures by IRCC and Employment Services Development Canada to facilitate work employment authorization for workers in essential services, particularly agriculture, agri-food, health sector, and trucking as well. Now, the other great news is that once you are working in Canada and you do have the work experience, you are able to transition into permanent residence. There are many different pathways for workers in the agricultural semi-skilled industries. And these span anywhere from pilot programs to provincial nomination programs as well. Now, each of these permanent resident programs have specific requirements, and I will be doing several videos to go through each one and what the requirements and the criteria, the eligibility requirements are. So stay tuned for those next videos. I hope you found the content of this video informative. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and I'll put my email link below, or feel free to comment. As always, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.